Understanding Bolt Assembly, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, bolt assembly. This might seem like a technical term, but it's quite interesting once you get to know it. So, let's dive in and unravel its meaning together. Bolt assembly is a compound noun, consisting of two parts, bolt and assembly. A bolt is a type of fastener, typically used to hold materials or objects together. It's a long metal pin with a head on one end and thread on the other, designed to fit into a nut. On the other hand, assembly refers to a group of parts that are put together to form a complete unit. So, when we talk about a bolt assembly, we are referring to a complete set of components that includes a bolt and possibly other elements like a nut, washers, and so forth, all assembled together. Now, let's see how bolt assembly is used in different contexts. This term is commonly used in mechanics, engineering, and construction. For instance, when building machinery or structures, a bolt assembly is essential for securing parts firmly. It's also used in everyday language to describe the act of putting together pieces of furniture, like saying, "I need to complete the bolt assembly for this table." To better understand, let's look at some examples. The engineer checked the bolt assembly to ensure everything was tight and secure. Assembling this shelf requires careful attention to the bolt assembly instructions. In the airplane's maintenance manual, there's a detailed section on bolt assembly for safety. I hope this video has shed light on what bolt assembly means and how it's used in various contexts. Remember, understanding such phrases enriches your English vocabulary, especially if you're interested in technical fields. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.